Hello, and welcome back everyone. I have a few cool new features to show you today. So, let me spin this app up and show you what I've been working on. As you can see, there has been a few improvements to the UI. I've added a search bar, filter, and sort functionality. I've just finished these features, so I have not yet got around to integrating them so you can run a search, and then filter those search results. For now, they are independent. Let me show you how it works. It's a pretty standard and simple search function, the same you'd find in most other applications. It is not case sensitive, and it returns results that either contain or exactly match what you're looking for. If there are no results, it shows you everything, but I may change this to show an empty panel instead. Maybe that would make more sense. The search box is visually intuitive. It changes color to represent the status of the search. As I've mentioned earlier, I've been designing this app to be easy to use for people who are less tech smart than most. That way, all our grandmas can have secure passwords. The search bar border will change color to green to represent matching results, or success status, red for no results, and it returns to its default blue if empty. The next thing I created was a filter feature. Many people, including myself, have many different accounts on many different platforms. So if the user was to make good use of this tool, there could be a great many vaults in their list. That's why I decided a filter feature may be complementary to the search feature. I thought it was going to be difficult to implement, but in fact it turned out to be rather easy. I've included every property of the vault class to be usable as a filter, so you can easily search for things like, show me all my vaults where the password has been set. Show me all the vaults with bitrate of 256 or 128 or less, and so on. For example, as I click filter bitrate 256, it shows me all the vaults where the password bitrate is 256. It's pretty straightforward. As you've noticed, there is a sort feature next to the filter feature. I have not yet implemented this yet, but I'm going to work on that soon. The sort feature will work with the search and filter features. For example, I can filter all my vaults with bitrate of 256, then sort them alphabetically or by date created, or some other option. I'll demo it when it's ready. Another small thing I implemented was the About window. No need to explain anything here. Just something to give the tool a more professional touch and a way of giving credit to other developers where credit is due. The Settings window has seen some improvements as well. It loads all the fonts and various font sizes so you can customize the tool for yourself. But the most exciting feature I've added is a Minimize to Taskbar feature. I've done this already in another project, so it didn't take me long to copy over that code and adjust it to this application. As you can see, I've figured out how to apply my own styling to the task tray icon. And all the options you see here, which are open, new, settings, and exit, are working fully. And that last exit option is a hard exit that closes the application entirely instead of minimizing it to the system tray. You can also hard close the app by clicking Exit in the main menu. It is the close button on the form that minimizes it to system tray. Also, I've made the app capable of launching on startup with a checkbox in the main menu. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.